We're back at Camp Nou, where the stadium continues to transform day by day. Every visit shows clear progress across multiple sections. The scale of work is impressive, and it's exciting to see how the new structures are taking shape. Today's update highlights significant developments across several key areas. In the Tribune Area, prefabricated seating sections are being lifted into place. Several trailers have delivered additional stands, now stacked and ready for installation. Activity around the escalators is also evident, with the blue protective covering fully removed. Workers are preparing the handrails and surrounding elements for upcoming installation. Inside the stadium, drywall installation has advanced after the completion of insulation with rock wool. Large sections are now fully covered, with only a small area on the left remaining unfinished. Materials continue to arrive, including metal rods and stair components, which are being prepared for future use. The diamond-shaped structure for the official FC Barcelona store is progressing quickly. 5 large glass panels have already been installed, with more prepared nearby. Cranes are active for continued installation throughout the day. This glass facade is becoming one of the most visually striking elements of the stadium. At the south goal, diagonal structural pieces between the slat supports are being installed. These components were previously missing and are now being added to align with the rest of the section. Additional slat supports have already been placed, and cutting and adjustment work suggests preparation for the next phase. Slats are being installed in the lower corner area. Elevating platforms are being used to position the slats. 2 more slats are required to complete the lower section before moving to the upper sections. The first large piece in the lateral area has been lifted, with 2 more identical pieces ready nearby. Construction teams have also leveled a section of wall to improve access for vehicles, ensuring smooth workflow in the area. The wall has been cut to create more space for vehicles, preventing scratches or interference during access. Construction teams are working in the lateral area, adjusting positions of structural pieces and preparing for installation. The orange crane used for lifting slats is present, though no slats are being installed in the lateral area today. Remaining slats are mostly in the upper brackets and false ceiling areas, with stair structures and elevator areas also requiring further installation. The parking ramp is now fully concreted with all formwork removed. The surface is clean and finished, marking the completion of another section of the project. At the north goal, welding and structural work are ongoing. Lifting platforms prepare connection points for slat supports, and holes have been drilled in upper and lower sections. Blue safety nets are being removed, signaling progress toward the next construction phase. Painting remains incomplete in certain areas. While the side sections are fully painted, large portions of the north and south goals are still unfinished. Many slat supports are installed but remain unpainted, with protective coating still visible on bolts and fittings. Progress continues steadily across the stadium, with each section moving closer to completion. While some areas are nearly finished, others remain in active construction. Step by step, Camp Nou is taking its final shape, and the transformation is becoming increasingly visible. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future updates.